Well, hey guys, I'm joined by Phil.
Hi guys.
And we're going to be doing the windscreen rubber on my Triumph Spitfire. And we're doing that because it's all gone all perished and I've got the chrome strip that's in it, but it keeps coming out. So what we're going to do is replace this windscreen rubber, put a new chrome strip in, and hopefully that should cure quite a few problems like window leaks and all that. And giving you just an honest truth, just before we do this video, I've never actually fitted windscreen rubber, and nor has Phil.
Can I put in an honest truth as well? What we're really going to do is watch it up, swear a lot, and go down the pub. I think that's quite likely to happen.
That sounds quite good. That might happen at the end, you never know. But we're going to give it an attempt anyway, so let's crack on with it.
Let's get going.
Okay. So what we're going to do first is get rid of these wiper blades. Now unfortunately my wiper spindles are a bit worn, so we can just place them down there.
What Steve means is he loosened them especially before the shoot. They're actually perfect, aren't they?
That's right.
Yeah, okay.
So, but if you were in your own car, you might have to peel these off, which is obviously just lift them up there. There's a little clip underneath and you can just pull them back off the spindles and then put back on. But fortunately mine are a little bit loose, so we won't have to do that. We're going to have to then take this out here, chrome strip.
So far so good.
And then we'll get a Stanley knife and cut this rubber out, and hopefully the screen should pop out towards us.
So the next job, we've got the screen out successfully, that went well. Next job is to get the old sealant off the glass here, because it has to be really clean to slide into the new rubber. So I'm going to use a scraper, maybe a little bit of solvent, try and get all the edges really in clean condition, very careful, don't want to crack it or anything. And meanwhile, Steve's going to be cleaning the windscreen surround so we can put the glass into get the rubber in, then get the screen in. How's it going, Steve?
Yeah, really well. So I'm quite surprised in how good a condition this windscreen is in, considering this was somewhat a barn find. It's in really solid, good condition. So what I'm going to do now is just hoover out all the old bits of rubber and just give this all a nice good clean up, ready to put in the new rubber. And when Phil's done with the windscreen, we'll put in the new windscreen and hopefully it should look all nice.
So we've cleaned the windscreen, it's come up quite well, clear as glass in fact, and now it's time to put the rubber trim around the side. So Steve, we'll bring that over, we'll get that on now.
Yep, okay.
Yeah, it should be good.
Then after this, hopefully, what we want to do is put the wire in place, and that will help us peel it out when we actually face it up to the car itself.
That's it.
So, let's get this up. Right, well, we had to stop the camera for that because it was a bit of a pig to get it in there, wasn't it, Phil?
It took a bit of doing, Steve, yeah?
Yeah, I mean, what we actually found was that when you've got the rubber on, it is a hell of a lot easier if you've got this in place, but this rubber seemed to swell a bit, so we sort of found if we put it in one corner, and unfortunately we didn't catch this on video, if we pushed it in one corner and then used a screwdriver just to peel over the lip and slowly push it in, and Phil was there pushing it while I was peeling over the lip, and it must have taken us a good, what, 20 minutes after that?
Easily, yeah, with Steve pulling from the inside with levers and me keeping pressure on, it all popped into place. I think it's good we didn't get it on video because of the language involved, actually, Steve.
I'd agree.
On reflection.
I don't think it was suitable for YouTube, so,
exactly.
You know,
but we did get it in.
But it is in place. We can now put the wipers, well, we won't pop.
I've got to clean it first.
What we need to do, just give the screen a quick clean, we'll put in the new chrome, and then hopefully we'll go for a pint.
If you can see where you're going, yeah, we'll go and get a beer.
Sounds good to me. Let's get this chrome in.
Right.
we are.
Job done, Steve.
Job done. Well done.
You need the right lubrication to put a windscreen in.
I definitely think so. To be honest with you, I don't think I want to do that again in a hurry, but
no.
you know, I mean, it's worth it for the pint. I mean, that took us what, all of
4
4 hours?
Oh, yeah, 3 or 4. Was it only 3 or 4 hours?
Only 3 or 4 hours,
yeah.
but well
got it
worth
done,
it.
didn't we?
I mean, the thing is that now the edge of the windscreen surround actually looks right, and it fits in nicely into the rubber, and the car just looks that little bit better.
It does lift the car, definitely.
Yeah, definitely. It's another job done, and hopefully in the future, because I do want to do the MGB, and hopefully it'll give us a hand doing that. We can do something a little bit more detailed.
It does show you can do it at home yourself, doesn't it?
It does, you know.
Although my hair was black when I started it,
yeah.
so you know, it's quite difficult.
As said,
it was fun.
You need your mate with you to do it. You don't want to do it by yourself. But as always, guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
Cheers,
Take
guys.
care. Cheers.